I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your car's AC. First, prioritize safety. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from refrigerant and debris. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and parked on a flat, stable surface. Then, you'll need to find the low-pressure AC service port, which is typically marked with an L and located on the larger diameter line under the hood. Once you've located the low-pressure port, firmly attach the Quick Connect fitting from your AC recharge kit. Next, give the refrigerant can a good shake and then screw it onto the charging hose. Before you begin adding refrigerant, start your car's engine and turn the air conditioning system to its highest fan speed and coldest temperature setting. With the engine running and AC on full, slowly squeeze the trigger on the refrigerant can, allowing the refrigerant to flow into the system. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge on your kit. You want the needle to stay within the green or recommended range for your vehicle. It's crucial not to overfill, as too much refrigerant can cause significant damage to your AC compressor and other components. After the pressure gauge indicates the correct level, release the trigger and carefully disconnect the charging hose from the low-pressure service port. Replace the protective cap on the port. Now, turn off your engine and test your AC system to confirm it's blowing cold air efficiently. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your newly recharged AC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.